not know that histamines and sulfites can be found in most wines, but you may have experienced some of the symptoms of these allergy inducers after enjoying a glass. Headache, congestion, and flushing are all common symptoms of a histamine or sulfite sensitivity that up to 70% of wine drinkers experience. The wand removes these allergens so you can enjoy a glass of wine without some of the unpleasant side effects. Nanopore beads sealed in the wand target sulfites and histamines. The beads absorb up to 95% of wine allergens. The single-use device is easy to take along with you and disposable. There are no chemicals used and it won't affect wine's flavor. We tried it out and felt the difference.
Sanford introducing the new Roti Maker. Let's check how to make perfect roti in Sanford Roti Maker. Switch on the Sanford Roti Maker and wait until the red indicator light turns off. Take a perfectly blended flour in sphere shape. Place the flour inside the roti maker towards the joining area of the pressing plate. Remember, never place the flour in the center. And do not use excess amount of oil. So, place the flour in the right place and press it gently. Then open the pressing plate. Your roti will be in a perfect shape. Wait for 10 to 20 seconds, then turn the roti to the other side. When you find it cooked perfectly, turn it once more after 10 seconds. Then close the pressing plate and open it quickly when it seems buzzing. Now you have the perfect roti. Enjoy the feast with Sanford Roti Maker.
This how-to video will guide you through the usage of your Nespresso Expert and milk. Do not put the Aerocino in the dishwasher and make sure the underside is dry. Then attach the relevant whisk. Fill the milk frother to your desired level. Close the Aerocino with its lid and place it on the base. For a hot preparation, briefly press the button to start. It will light red. For cold milk froth, keep the button pressed for 2 seconds. It will light up blue. Cold milk froth will be ready when it turns off. Pour the froth milk into a large recipe glass. Then, prepare your favorite Nespresso Grand Cru. The coffee will be brewed directly over the froth milk.
If you're used to microwave cooking, then you're probably used to the compromises that it brings. But with new microwave cookware by MICO, you can instantly improve your meals with our simple, easy-to-use products. Thanks to advanced heatwave technology, these delicious meals and snacks were created using just a regular microwave and MICO microwavable cookware. The 3 products in the MICO range are each designed to enable you to cook the perfect snack. Perfectly grilled, toasted cheese sandwiches are just as good as those made in a sandwich maker. Baked potatoes, crisp on the outside, fluffy on the inside, just as if they were oven baked, but cooked in a fraction of the time in the MICO potato baker.
world full of digital innovation and efficiency, there's a place in everyone's life that's still a dangerous jungle of mismanagement and disorientation. Looking for a cold drink and missing the best part of the game? Sound familiar? Come on, buddy, you can make it. Warm, warmer, cold, colder. Yep, there you go. And it only took you a whole minute. We think getting a cold drink out of your fridge shouldn't feel like pissing in the wind. From now on, you can make sure you grab the coldest drink and nothing else every time you want one with CoolBro. Warm in, cold out.
If you enjoy the delicious taste of ice cream, but don't enjoy the excess calories, fat content or sugar, we have the perfect product for you, the VonShef Frozen Fruit Maker. The frozen fruit maker creates delicious desserts from frozen fruit, so you can enjoy every mouthful without letting the guilt set in. From bananas to strawberries to raspberries to pineapple, if you can think of a fruit, you can create a delicious frozen dessert. The VonShef Frozen Fruit Maker is fantastic for all the family and ideal for those who are lactose intolerant, as fruit-based desserts are free from high preservatives, sugar, fat and dairy. A great addition to your kitchen all round. When you need a dessert that's a little bit naughtier, try adding chocolate, peanut butter, syrup, nuts or sprinkles. With the VonShef Frozen Fruit Maker, the options are endless. You'll never get bored. You'll be surprised just how easy it is to create your very own desserts. Just place the ingredients in the chute, wait for the rotating blade to work its magic, then tuck in. The end result is a bowl full of creamy goodness which tastes like soft serve ice cream. There's no need to worry about the Frozen Fruit Maker taking up masses of room in your kitchen, as its compact size makes it easy to store when you're not